Struggling with belly fat that just won't go away? Want to lose weight naturally without intense workouts or crash diets? You're in the right place. In this video, you'll learn about 5 powerful foods that help reduce belly fat, naturally, safely, and effectively. Let's begin. Food number 1, apple cider vinegar. Informative, apple cider vinegar helps suppress appetite and supports fat burning. Instructive, mix 1 tablespoon of ACV in a glass of warm water and drink it in the morning on an empty stomach. Confident. It's a powerful natural remedy that has been backed by science. Encouraging, use it daily and you'll start to see results. Food number 2, avocado. Avocados contain healthy fats and a lot of fiber. They help balance your blood sugar levels and reduce fat storage around your waist. Eating just half an avocado a day can make a noticeable difference. It's creamy, filling, and great for belly fat reduction. Food number 3, Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is loaded with protein. It helps build lean muscle and burn fat faster. It also supports digestion and reduces bloating, both of which are important for a flat stomach. You can enjoy it as a snack or part of your breakfast. Food number 4, oats. Oats are packed with soluble fiber. They keep you full for longer and prevent overeating. Starting your day with a bowl of oats can help control your weight and target belly fat. Add some fruits or nuts to make red day. Food number 5, green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, especially catechins. It helps increase your metabolism and burns fat more efficiently. Just 1 to 2 cups of green tea a day can help reduce stubborn belly fat over time. It's simple, natural, and refreshing. Bonus tips. To get the best results, combine these foods with simple lifestyle habits. Walk for at least 30 minutes a day. Avoid late-night eating. Drink more water. Cut back on sugar and processed foods. Small changes lead to big transformations. Conclusion. Belly fat takes time to build, and it takes time to lose. But with the right foods and daily habits, you can achieve a slimmer, healthier waistline. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more natural health tips, and tell us in the comments which of these foods do you eat every day.